Alright, today we're testing batteries. We're going to load them to see if they're good or bad, and we're going to test the chargers for it. First things first is to open the box. These are 1212s, which is 12 volts, 12 volts, 12 amp hours. First things first, take your multimeter, set about 200 dCV. And make sure they are about the same, 0.2 off. That's 13 volts, 13.2, so the batteries are close enough where they can be in the same box. Now, disconnect the batteries and use your load test. What you want to see on your load test is you want to have it anywhere from 400 to 1,000. Mainly what we're looking for is about 800 to 1,000 if we're going to use this as a rental scooter. Right now we're at what it told us, about 13.2. We press this button, it's the load. And you keep it on for about 15 to 20 seconds. And we can tell they're good because we just replaced these batteries. Those are good though. That one at least. And whenever you load them, you want to make sure the batteries are disconnected from each other, because if they are connected, they will pull off the other one if it's weaker battery. So this one was the 13 volts, and it's about the same. It loads 0.2 off. So that means these batteries are good. Now, to take the chargers, what you want to do is reconnect the batteries. So, always want to make sure whatever fuse you have, always look at your fuses, which we can see these are good. Right now, 5 and 30 for this particular box. Next thing you do is you take your charger. All chargers are different. You got your power and your charging light on there. What you want to do is you want to plug it up. First things first, as we know it's at 13 volts, we plug it up. Charging light's not coming on. That's first indication of bad charger. To make sure it's bad, we check the voltages. They're at 12.9. So that charger is a bad charger. Now, checking a good charger. All these chargers are about, this one is a 1.5 amp hour charger, and this is your 2.5 amp hour charger. 2 amp hour. So they can charge these 1212s. The power indicator light means you got power coming through the charger. Light change, so that indicates that this charger can be good. Most likely it will be. And your volts change on the multimeter, went from 12.9 to 13.1, 13.2, and so on. And you think this is a 1.5 amp hour charger, so it's going to be a slow process to charge these batteries with this, but it's working, it's charging good. Let's check another one. Power light indicates it's on. No shift. Did not change colors. $13.3. That's a 2 amp hour. Should 13.2. This charger works. And last test on. Blinking light on the charger. Happens on more of these right here. Most likely this charger is bad. No change in voltage. Went from 13.2 to 12.9. Means this is a bad charger. So out of 4 chargers, we had 2 good ones, and that's how you check to see if you have a good charger or a bad charger.